3, 2, 1, fire!
Hi guys, I hope you're all well. Okay, so we've had the call. The engine is ready. The Cornwall Engine Company finished doing the work that they need to do. So we are literally on our way to go and collect it now. So yeah, this is going to be a video of collecting the engine and putting it back together pretty much. So yeah, see you in a bit. Okay guys, so we've got the block back now. I did a little brief video of it, and we're looking to put the engine back together, but tank is still currently going through things that we do and don't need, and making a mess in the workshop, as you can imagine. So yeah, this video is literally just going to be a case of practically rebuilding the engine, and yeah, we'll go from there. So see how we get on. So, like we did before, we put a little bit of grease on it before, and we managed to take it off, and it's in one piece. We'll put a little bit more grease on it. And in case we do have to take it off, it can come off. Wow. Second time now, I suppose third's a charm.
why not? It wouldn't be a project if you didn't take something apart 20 times. You'll be just going along, idly going along on an idle Tuesday, and then, oh no! And there's little dowels it can locate onto, which is there and there. That's it. Beautiful. Clean your hands. And then we can get this office rickety table before it collapses. And they seal, we've got to go one way, and it's not only to put it on the wrong way, because you want oil to stay in. That's it, beautiful. And just line that up, a little bit of that, and locate the dowel, and there it is. It's on.
Lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me. Put under the pressure of walking in your shoes. Caught in the undertow, just caught in the undertow. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. Caught in the undertow, just caught in the undertow. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want you to do is be more like me and be less like you. Can't you see that you're smothering me, holding too tightly, afraid to lose control? 'Cause everything that you thought I would be has fallen apart right in front of you. Just caught in the undertow. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. Caught in the undertow, just caught in the undertow. And every second I waste is more than I can take. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want you to do is be more like me and be less like you. And I know I may end up failing too, but I know you were just like me, with someone disappointed in you. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want you to do is be more like me and be less like you. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Tired of being what you want me to be. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Tired of being what you want me to be. Look, if you had one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it? Just
let it slip. Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, plow. Snap back to reality, oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes rabbit, he choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up, daddies, he know. He won't have it, he knows. His whole back's to these ropes, it don't matter, he's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant, he knows when he goes back to this mobile home, that's when it's back to the lab again, yo. This old rhapsody better go capture this moment and hope it don't pass. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. The soul's escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward a new world order. A normal life is boring, but superstardom's close to postmortem. It only grows harder, homie grows hotter. He blows, it's all over. These hoes is all on him. Coast to coast shows, he's known as the Globetrotter. Lonely roads, God only knows he's grown farther from home. He's no father. He goes home and barely knows his own daughter. But hold your nose, cause here goes the cold water. These hoes don't want him no more. He's cold product. They moved on to the next mo who flows. He knows dove and sold nada. And so the soap opera is told. It unfolds. I suppose it's old partner, but the beat goes on. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. No more games, I'ma change what you call rage. Tear this motherfucking roof off like two dogs' cage. I was playing in the beginning, the mood all changed. I've been chewed up and spit out and booed off stage, but I kept rhyming and stepped right in the next cipher. Best believe somebody's paying the Pied Piper. All the pain inside amplified by the fact that I can't get by with my 9 to 5, and I can't provide the right type of life for my family. Cause man, these goddamn food stamps don't buy diapers, and there's no movie, there's no Mackay Pfeiffer. This is my life and these times are so hard, and it's getting even harder trying to feed and water my seed. Plus, see this order caught up between being a father and a prima donna. Baby mama drama screaming on her too much for me to wanna stay in one spot. Another damn monotony's gotten me to the point I'm like a snail. I've got to formulate a plot or end up in jail or shot. Success is my only motherfucking option. Failure's not. Mama love you, but this trailer's got to go. I cannot grow old in Salem's lot, so here I go, it's my shot. Feet fail me not. This may be the only opportunity that I got. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. You can do anything you set your mind to, man.
All those push rods off, but just teasing in maybe like so, so there's another one holding there somewhere because there's a cam is pushing against them. That's it, there we go. Did it pop out for a cup of tea, I reckon?
How we doing? So yeah, so pretty much rebuilt the engine, so ready to go. Noticed a couple of things that I've got to get ordered in, you know, lock tabs, things like that, a few washers and bits and bobs. So I'm going to order that, get that on its way. I need to apologise to you because the video has taken so long to come out, and a lot of the work was already done. I work in the hospitality trade, and as you can imagine, everywhere in the summer is just bedlam at the minute. So apologies, I've been working, you know, 6-7 days a week and things like that, and I just have not had the time to even sit down with the family and my little one yet, so let alone do car projects and upload videos and things like that. However, I just wanted to apologise for the delay, but yes, the engine is pretty much set back together now. I will put a photo up so you can see it, exactly where it is, but yeah, there are some bits to do. I've decided that the cover, the head cover, I'm basically going to paint. I know it's green at the minute. I'm going to paint that yellow to match it off. Me and Tankin are in agreement that we're going to paint the engine bay green, and it would look nice if the whole engine was the yellow to stand out. But yeah, it's more a case of I could have delayed the video upload more and more and more and made it a whole clip so the engine was complete, or I put a video up, let you know that I am absolutely mental at the minute, and then do a second video when it's all complete. So what I'll probably do, like I say, I'll upload the video as it is now, as you're seeing it. And then the next video, when everything's calmed down a bit with work and so on and so forth, will probably be engines complete and rear axles being rebuilt. But yeah, there's a couple of things I got to order, so I'll get them on order. And yeah, I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Appreciate the support. And yeah, I will see you all when it's calmed down a bit more. Take care.